Hello everyone. In this video, we learn how to install Python, set up PyCharm, and run our first Python program. First, let's install Python. Open your browser and visit python.org. On the home page, click the Downloads Python button. The website automatically shows the latest version available for your operating system. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Before clicking Install Now, make sure you check the box that says Add Python to Path. Click Install Now and wait for the installation to finish. After the installation is complete, click Close. To verify that Python is installed correctly, open Command Prompt and type Python space -- version. Press enter. If you see a Python version number, congratulations, Python has been installed successfully. Now let's move to PyCharm. To write Python programs, I'll be using PyCharm. If you don't have PyCharm installed yet, you can check out my PyCharm installation video available on this channel. After installing PyCharm, open it, click New Project from the left panel. Choose a location where you want to save your project. You can change the name of the project. Click on Create button. Your project is now ready. Next, let's create our first Python file. Right-click on the project name. Click on New Python file. Name the Python file. Press enter. Now let's write our first Python statement. It's a print statement with a simple message string, hello world. The print function is used to display output on the screen. To run the program, click the green play button at the top right. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Shift F10. The output will appear in the run window below. Now let's quickly learn about comments. Comments are notes written inside the code. They are ignored by Python and help us understand the program better. To create a single line comment, use the hash symbol. Python will ignore this line when the program runs. And that's it. Today we learned about how to download and install Python, create a project in PyCharm, write our first Python program, run it and use comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.